Do you lose any teeth due to injury or some infection? Then you are deserve to be get it replaced. Hi, I am a Dr. Asit Patel practicing dentistry and implantology at Gandhinagar. Now, when it comes to the replacement of the teeth, there are two main options. One is fixed and one is removable. In the fixed option, we have two categories. One is implant and one is bridge. And in the removable, there is a denture. Now, basic difference between removable and fixed one is in the removable we can remove the dentures from the mouth and patient can wear it, remove it and wear it. While in the case of fixed, the process is fixed, patient cannot remove himself or herself. Now, coming to the structure part, the implant is a component, basic component made up of titanium, and in the denture, it's made up of acrylic material. The major difference between the dentures and implant in the case of strength, the strength is more in the implant case rather than the denture case. And in the comfort part, dentures are less comfortable than the implant because sometimes patient do not wear it properly, so it can harm to the adjacent teeth as well as the mucosa, where there is no chances of any harm or to the adjacent teeth or the mucosa in the implant case. And in the bone loss part, the bone loss is more in the case of denture, whereas in the implant case there is no or minor bone loss. So there are a lot of advantage of the dental implant over the denture or fix over the removable. Here at the Radhe Multispeciality Dental Clinic, we treat many patients with the dental implant, and they get treatment while we explain the benefits of the implant. We limit our knowledge to here in this video. We will share more and more knowledge regarding the dentistry in this YouTube channel. Please subscribe and press the notification bell icon. And if you have any queries or related to implant or bridge, you can ask in the comment section and we will answer it. So bye bye from now. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.